Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert ETH to USDT on KuCoin. So first of all, you just have to launch your KuCoin mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you will be able to see this convert tab. So you simply need to tap on convert and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here in the from section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that you need to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to search for ETH. Now once you have found Ethereum, you simply need to tap on it in order to select it. Now once it is selected successfully, in the to section you need to again tap on this drop arrow button, then use the search bar in the top and you simply need to search for USDT. Then once you have selected USDT, the conversion will look something like this, where you are converting from Ethereum to USDT. Here you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert, and then it will show you the estimated amount of USDT that you are going to get. Afterwards, you need to tap on the confirm button in the bottom, and then you just have to confirm again in order to complete your conversion. This way you will be able to convert Ethereum to USDT on KuCoin. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.